This majestic, custom-built Victorian home of nearly 6,000 square feet is situated for views of the coastal range, Mount Hood, and the Willamette River. Sitting on more than 10 acres, this property has been successfully marketed as a short-term rental and through AirBNB. From the gated entry, a private, double-circle drive leads you to this architecturally significant home, offering old-world Victorian charm. The grand entry with cherry wood floors and accents leads to relaxing, light-filled spaces with ornate woodwork throughout. Take in the fresh air from your expansive wraparound deck, where it's easy to unwind and savor the river and coast range views. The kitchen is thoughtfully designed with granite, a pantry with pull-out organizers, a decorative ceiling, and top-of-the-line stainless appliances. Enjoy gracious spaces for socializing, complete with built-ins, elaborate trim, and moldings. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame the main floor office. The upper-level primary bedroom is designed for relaxation with a spacious ensuite bath with heated floors, a jacuzzi tub, separate shower, and a large walk-in cedar closet. Its private deck offers spectacular views, and its own stairs leads to a secret tower with top-of-the-world views. A second bedroom also has stairs to its own tower, a secret bedroom with views of its own. With 6 bedrooms and 4.5 baths, it offers plenty of space and options as an income-generating rental or cherished home. A spacious apartment has its own private entrance and includes a living area, full kitchen, large bedroom, full bath, and a full-length storage area. Graceful pathways frame the serene setting. And a secret passageway from the family room or an outside entrance will take you to the sauna. Other features include a garden and tool shed, 3 RV hookups, a 3-car garage, and a separate 4th garage space. Perfect for relaxing days or quiet moonlit evenings. Enjoy a prime location with panoramic views and timeless design. It's all here on South End Road and ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Directors Mortgage.